TC Electronics. On this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Accenture. So Accenture is recruiting for two categories. First one is software engineer and second one is associate software engineer. So this recruitment is for 2021 batch. And if you are belonging to BTech, that is BTech if you are doing, or MCA, then you are eligible. Okay. So we are going to see all details regarding this Accenture recruitment. Before going to the details of this video, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel for job updates. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. So let us first see the job description. So now you're actually seeing the application form, which is an online application form you are seeing. First, let us see the job description. So you have to click on this view job description. So here you can see that there is a recruitment happening for 2021 batch. It is a direct hiring. Okay. So the post names are Associate Software Engineer, which is ASC, and the second category, which is Software Engineer, which is SC. Okay. First, let us see the ASC details. So as Associate Software Engineer, what all things you will be doing is designing, building, testing, assembling, supporting, and configuring of applications using business requirement. Then understand business drivers. Then responsible for incident resolution and support extend to customers through voice, interaction, email, chat, remote support, etc. Okay, so this is the job in which you will be designing applications, testing, developing, all these things you will be doing. Okay, now let us see the qualification. The qualification they have said is ability to anticipate and resolve business issues. Then multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills. Good analytical and problem solving skill. Then take ownership of successful implementation of the solution. Then flexibility to relocate. All these things they have mentioned as a qualification or the requirements. Other things they have not mentioned here, but while filling the online application form, you will get to know that which all batches are eligible. Okay. Next is software engineer. Now, as a software engineer, what all things you will be doing is, here also you will be developing software, then end-to-end across all layers, work on networking, database, UI designing, API and security. Then responsibilities including analysis and design, also development, automated code review, unit testing, automation, performance testing, automated build and deployment. So designing, building, testing, assembling, all these things you'll be doing. Okay, so that is the job role of a software engineer. Now, the skills they're asking for also they have mentioned here. Hands-on experience in writing code for front-end, back-end, database server, etc. Then good analytical and problem-solving skill. Then deliver code to time and quality expectations. Working knowledge with source control, build deployment of GIT TFS. Then take ownership of successful implementation and performance of solutions. Potential to manage client interaction with proficiency. Then ability to work in agile, complex system integration, application development, security, cloud, complex deliveries, all these things they have mentioned as the skills they are asking for. Okay. So these are the skills or the qualifications. They have not actually mentioned which branch you should be or which category you should be here in this notification. Now let us move on to the application form. So this is the application form. The first thing you have to put is the source detail. That is, how did you find about this job? Okay. Next, second one, which is the personal details. Name, first name, middle name, last name, then university registration number, email ID, mobile number, alternate mobile number, PAN number, date of birth, then gender details, educational details. Now, while seeing the educational detail, you can see there is postgraduate and undergraduate. Okay. Next, certifications. If you have done any, you can add that details. Then if you have some disabilities, you can mention that. Then job location also you can choose preferred job location So this is actually for multiple locations of Accenture. You can actually choose the job location of your preference. Now they're asking, have you completed your final semester exam? Yes or no, you have to put. Now, final semester result declaration. Select your final semester result declaration month as notified by your institute. Okay, so here you can see BB Tech 8th sem and MCA 4th sem. So this is actually, this line is actually describing the qualifications they're asking for. So BB Tech and MCA candidates they are looking for. Okay, and also you have to select in which month your result will be declared. Now, the next detail you have to fill is assessment time detail. You can actually select in which time you'll be interested to give the assessment. So the first stage is online assessment, and for that you have to select the time slot. Okay. The other details, gap in education, more than one academic year, no gap, one academic year maximum. Actually, I think more than one academic year they are saying as the gap in education. Okay. Now, have you worked with Accenture before? Standing backlogs? Yes, no. Then have you appeared for the assessment or interview process of Accenture in the last 6 months? Are you Indian citizen? Then you have to attach your resume, then passport size photograph, college ID card. Okay, so you should be a student of 2021 batch. So you have to upload your college ID card also. Another important thing, you have to also include your government ID card, PAN card they are saying. Okay, so you have to take a photograph of your PAN card and you have to upload that also. Okay, then declaration, I agree. So that is the application form you have to fill. So before applying or before starting the application process, you have to make sure of 2 3 things. First one is your resume, you have to upload that. Then your college ID card, PAN card photograph, also your passport size photograph. Okay, so before applying you have to keep ready these things. Okay, only then you can complete the application form. So that's all about the recruitment news from Accenture. We have seen the application form actually. Now talking about the selection, they have actually asked for the time slot of assessment. So there will be an online examination, then there will be technical interviews, and then there will be HR interview. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process. Now talking about the salary, it will be more than 6 lakh per annum. So that is a standard salary provided by Accenture. So for the freshers, I'm talking. So this is a fresher recruitment. If you're having these qualifications, you can actually try for this. This is actually a very big recruitment. Two categories of recruitments are actually happening: software engineer and associate software engineer. So that's all about the details of Accenture recruitment. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.